Yes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon. Yes, some of the people are sleeping. Sleeping people, good morning. Okay. Some people are waiting for the class. Good afternoon. All good? All fine? Yes. Okay, so all good, all fine. Audio, video, all clear. Okay. So now in last class we have done few things. We got why we need these, okay, why we need this basic mathematics, why mathematics is required, because physics will be this much and mathematics will be this. So major problem is never in the physics, problem lies in the mathematics. So that much mathematics you need to learn. In last class we got some basic things. Yes. Huh? Do you remember what we have discussed in the last class? In our last class we got some basic things. Yes, we used also in your telescope questions in ray optics. I said some 3-4 examples how this theta equal to arc by radius will be used. And whenever you are using theta equal to arc by radius, theta must be in theta equal to arc by radius. Theta must be in theta. How to be in the yes? Use okay. You have to say. I will not tell. If you're using theta equal to it, how to be in the radian. Okay, make this habit that whenever we are using theta equal to arc by radius, theta must be in radian. Okay, and I have told you some more units of angle. We can express angle in the radian, that is the okay SI. We can express in the degree. A small unit we can take as the minute, we can take as the seconds also. So minute is there, second is there, and we are very comfortable in those conversions. Second to minute, minute to degree, and degree to radian. Means whenever these conversions are coming, we can easily convert, because if anywhere we are going to use theta equal to arc by radius, given angle might be in your seconds, it might be in the minutes. Okay, you have to convert first of all these to the degree, then to the radian, and then you will use theta equal to arc by radius. That is the summary from the last class. And then at the end I told you very basic things. It was the actually class 6th one, that okay, whenever any triangle is given to you, then in this triangle, okay, all the time you have to say that first of all, okay, if you want to decide perpendicular, base, or hypotenuse, then okay, first of all you will ask for the angle. So opposite to theta, you will say this will be the P, perpendicular, and this one is the B, and this one is the H. Can you say what is the relation between this P, B, and H? Is there any formula which relates perpendicular, base? Okay, that formula is known as very popular formula. Means I think that also starts from the 6th class onwards. Yes, which relates P, B, and H. Okay, name of the formula. Formula I will write here. I just want name, whether you remember this name. Yes, Pythagoras relation, and we can write here in this one. This one is going to be your okay, H square equal to, means this bigger side. Okay, square of this bigger side is equivalent to, here we can write in this one, P square plus B square. So this relation you have to keep in the mind. We will be using this multiple times. So almost in every chapter you will use this relation, H square equal to P square plus B square. In this one, some standard triplets are there. Okay, and those triplets you will try to remember. One is the very common one, everyone knows, that is the your, if I say this is the 3, this is the 4, this one will be the 5. You can say like this also, this is the 6. Okay, I can write here in this one 6, this is the 8, this is the 10. We can write this is the 5, 12, 13. Okay, this is the one examples here, and these examples should be there in the mind that yes, anywhere the two sides, okay, they are using the word right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, we can say these two sides 6 and 8 given, then we can say the third will be 10. Okay, these are the standard triplets, should be there in your memory. Otherwise, we can use h square equal to p square plus b square. Okay, and another one is okay, 7, 24, 25. Like this, some standard triplets are there. Okay, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I can say like this: 3, 4, 5 there. Okay, your 6, 8, 10 there. 5, 12, 13 there. Okay, and another will be your 7, 24. Okay, 25 will be there like this. Clear? Okay, now I'm going to ask some questions on this Pythagoras, okay, relation here, and we will relate with, because already you you know a little bit optics, so I will be asking okay, wherever I will use. So first question I'm asking okay, like this. Somewhere you will get like okay. Suppose this is the question from the vector. First of all, you got sine theta equal to 2/3. And options they are asking, there is no option like this. Maybe in the vector you can get it in the NLM or anywhere. Okay, you can get. So sine theta equal to, you got 2/3, but whatever options are there, none of the option is there in the sine. Options are in the cos, either in your 10. Okay, so we can say whenever this sine theta is 2/3, you can say this one is going to be your perpendicular divided by this h. We can draw this triangle. Okay, after some time you will draw this triangle in your mind. Okay, you will, oh, this is the 2, this is the 3. Okay, but right now we are doing the practice, and when you are doing the practice, you have to take as much as time you want to take. During the practice time, we have to take enough time, and when we have to, okay, give our final thoughts, at that time, okay, time required must be less. So now we can say here, okay, slowly you will reduce the time when you will practice. We can say this is the 2, this one is the 3, and this base you have to find. So this base will be equal to this square minus this square. Okay, so we can write here in this one 3 square, that will be the 9 minus this 4, which is going to be √5. I hope we are clear with this thing. I have written directly here that this is the your h square is actually equal to b square plus p square. So I need this b square, so you can say it becomes h square minus p square, and then b will be equal to root of h square minus p square. Okay, but I am expecting that all people got this thing, that whatever I have done directly. So now we can say that options might be in the, suppose they have given the option in the cos. So cos, we can say this becomes b by h, and here we can write in this one that will be the √5, and that is the by 3. Suppose they are asking you tan theta, then we can write tan theta in this one. You can write perpendicular, that is the your 2 divided by your root. Okay, 2 by √5 here. Okay, can we do like this? So somewhere you will get answer in the sine, cos, or tan, and then you have to convert into each other. So now we are doing the questions on conversion from one trigonometric ratio to other trigonometric ratio. I will get till some more relation also. First of all, we are trying to do this thing using the Pythagoras. Yes? Are we ready? Ready, na? Oh. Okay, so this question for you, okay? This one for you. Do you know what is the critical angle? Formula of critical angle, I will relate with this thing. Formula of critical angle I am asking to you. Critical angle formula. Yes? Critical angle we know? If you know, then I will ask in that format, otherwise I can, okay, we know, okay. I think everyone knows. If we know critical angle, then I will ask in terms of critical angle. And if you don't know critical angle, the same question I will ask in terms of x. Okay, I will not use the word refractive index. I will say x, y, z. Okay, I can use this. Sir, last step means which? This one? Tan theta is nothing but the your okay. We can say perpendicular. That is the p divided by b. In this case, perpendicular. Okay, we can say this is the perpendicular, this is the your base. So 2 by, okay, root 5. Okay. Yes. In short, sir, say critical angle. Listen, critical angle, I will say later on, means when that topic will be there, means that chapter will come. Formula I will say, okay. I will write the formula, okay. Means this formula you will get to know, okay. They have given sine theta is 1 by mu. You can say x, anything, okay. Sine theta 1 by mu. This is the formula. Clear? Okay, so sine theta 1 by mu, I can use the word x also. Let me ignore this thing. I will say simply that it is not the mu. Is the sine theta equal to 1 by x. Why? Okay, how to? So sine theta is 1 by x. Okay, you can consider as 1 by mu. I am saying in this one you have to find, okay, in this triangle actually, okay. Okay, this will be the some source of light, ray going like this, okay, and in this one, this angle is theta, this is your h, okay, this is at the depth h. Some of you can relate what I'm talking about. Can you see what I'm discussing here? This is the theta, this is the h. Okay, this okay, some source is there, it is kept at this distance, and this thing you have to find, okay, this ray is hitting here, okay, and you need to find this r, okay. I need this r, okay, and they have given sine theta equal to 1 by x, or let me say 1 by mu, okay, no problem, I can say 1 by mu, okay. Now a lot of people are able to relate this thing where you will get r, you have to calculate in terms of mu, okay. Find r in terms of mu. Find r in terms of mu, okay. This is the your question, I mean, your task. You need to find r in terms of mu. This will be the formula. Later on, you will remember the formula only. But what happens that sometimes in questions it is required. Like you got sine theta equal to 1 by, because this conversion you have to do multiple times. Yes. In terms of mu. Okay, some people are saying answer, but you are wrong. Not a single person is getting correct answer. Not a single person getting correct answer as of now. Question is little typical as of now because the topic will be coming, okay. But I'm not taking easy things also, because if I'm saying suppose the sine theta, cos theta, basic things that already you know, na. Yes, one person got correct answer. Dikshit got correct answer. Dikshit calculated, okay. As of now, only one person got correct answer. And yes, some more people, I think, okay, 1 or 2 more people. Let me see. If you want this r, okay, and you know only h is given, okay. So we can say in this one, if I use, okay, here, this one is given and this one is asked, I will use here tan theta. So tan theta becomes in this one r by h, okay. Tan theta is r by h, means r will be equal to h tan theta. Anyone having any problem in this line, you can say first of all. Is there any problem in this one? First of all, this, okay, this figure I have given in the, okay, question. This is given, okay. This one I have given, okay. This is given, this is also given, okay. Because these two things given in the question as of now, okay. So now you can write here in this one that tan theta equal to r by h, so r equal to h tan theta. Now you need to replace this tan theta because tan theta is not given to you. Tan theta you have to figure out. You know here sine theta, so you will make one triangle, okay. You will make one triangle like this. You can say, sir, in this one, if I take this is the theta, sine theta will be 1 divided by this mu, perpendicular by hypotenuse. perpendicular by hypotenuse. Yes, 1 and mu perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, now what you will see that we need to find this base, so we can write this will be equivalent to here your mu square minus 1. Now we can write in this one that tan theta that you have to replace. Tan theta is equivalent to, okay, in this one we can write your perpendicular, that is the 1 divided by root of mu square minus 1. Okay, and this is the tan theta. This tan theta you have to put here, so you can write r equal to h divided by, in this one, root of mu square minus 1. This will be the one important formula, will be, okay, discussed later on. I just said one huge case how we are going to use our trigonometry in the one of the chapter. Okay, and this conversion will be using in the so many questions also. Now I'll be taking one question. If you understood this one, if you understood, I'm means not sure that most of the people got this thing. Only those okay who know this little bit, they remember. Your optics is there in the memory, probably you got, otherwise it is somewhat tough. Area covered by fish in the water, something like this in the TIR. Okay, NEET 25 is very good paper. That is all the time papers are good. 25 was somewhat more good. Okay, so ready for the next thing? And always think the questions. Already I said this thing. Never categorize questions in the easy, medium, and tough. Questions will be categorized less time taking or more time taking. Any question will be solved. There is not a single question, okay, in this whole universe that okay cannot be solved. Some of the problems are there that are still okay unsolved. Okay, but okay, those comes into the some other category, but most of the problems can be solved. These all are in the syllabus. Yes, this is in the syllabus. Okay, that I am taking those examples only which we are going to take, which one we are going to say. So at least okay, if you remember this one, okay, later on I will say, okay, I will decorate this thing, I will say the name, okay, this I will say the your radius. Okay, I'm not using those words, just I'm I'm not talking about the physics aspect right now. I'm only talking about the mathematical aspect of the things. So that in the, okay, they have given this diagram. This diagram is given, and okay, they have given one condition, this sine theta equal to 1 by mu, and they are asking what is the r. Okay, so in this one, in whole this derivation, mathematics is there. Later on, I will say I will use the word critical angles. Okay, so some of the physics we will talk about. Yes, these are the, okay, all of these are basics. Listen, sine theta, conversion of trigonometric ratio into each other is the basic. Sine theta you should be able to convert it to cos, tan, sec, cosec. All conversion we should be perfect, because suppose anywhere you got sine theta equal to this and none of the options are matching, it means they are asking your options in the other trigonometric ratio. They want little with mathematics. Okay, one more time I will say, because maybe this is okay slightly going like this, that but in this one I said this diagram is given, sine theta is 1 by mu. Again I will say one more time. So we can say in this one that this diagram is given. They are saying, okay, that this is the h and this is the r. You need to find r. Okay, they are saying in this question, find r. Okay, find r in terms of mu and h. Okay, this is the question, find r in terms of mu and h. So in this diagram, you know, h is given, r is given. We can easily relate this theta. Okay, so we can write here tan theta equal to r by h. Tan theta is r by h, so we can say r equal to h tan theta. So your radius becomes here, okay, in this one h tan theta. Now they have given sine theta is 1 by mu, so we can say if sine theta 1 by mu, we can write here theta. This is a perpendicular hypotenuse. This will be the base, root of mu square minus 1, and then we can tan theta will be 1 by root of mu square 1. This one we can just put here. Okay. In physics, use NCERT or not? Whenever you are starting your preparation, NCRT exemplar along with the notes. This is the bare minimum you have to do all the time. Notes plus NCRT exemplar. Bare minimum I am saying. People think that, okay, this is the, okay, done, means bare minimum. After that, you have to do some more things. NCRT exemplar, notes, then we will give some supplementary, okay, your materials will be there, or some, okay, assignments will be there. That will be the separate, but this is the bare minimum you need to do from your side. Whenever one chapter is completed, okay, you need to do NCRT by yourself, you need to do the exemplar by yourself. Sir, PYQ, PYQ will be the part of material. In your any of the material you will see, they will give exercise 1, exercise 2, exercise 3. One of the exercises, the previous year questions. That is the, okay, what I am saying, that notes plus NCRT exemplar plus material is the bare minimum. After that, some okay, supplementary material, some assignments, all the things will be given. Okay? We will do. Now, I will take one more example, then you will be able to relate, okay? It will be better for you. If I say, if cos theta equal to, okay, cos theta equal to, suppose in this one they have given in this, 2/5, find tan theta, okay? Cos theta equal to 2/5, find tan theta. This is the question, and at least now you can answer this one. Previous one, if you got very, very good. If you didn't got, okay, you will be able to, okay, get after some time. But now this question you have to say, first of all, cos theta is 2/5. You have to say tan theta. Root 21/2. Okay. So 2-3 people got the answer. What others are doing? Okay, now I will solve here. We can say cos theta is given, this one given value. Then this is the base by hypotenuse. So we can say in this one, if I make the triangle, this is the theta. So we can say this will be the 2, this one will be the 5, and this will be equivalent to, okay, your bigger side, okay, square of the bigger side means 25 minus 4, which is the 21. Now we can say tan theta, we can figure out easily. Tan theta will be equal to, in this one, your, okay, root of 21 means that is the perpendicular, okay. So perpendicular by, okay, P by B, okay, and that becomes root 21/2, okay. I think all, okay, correct here. Ready for next? Next thing, fast, quick. Ready? Okay. Asking next thing. Add. If sine theta equal to mu r by mu d, okay. Now, mu r by mu d I'm just using, okay. This will be again used somewhere. Sine theta equal to mu r by mu d, then cos theta h, okay. Then cos theta. Sine theta is mu r by mu d. You have to tell me cos theta, okay. In optical fiber, somewhere this formula will be coming to, okay, this thing will be used, okay. I'm not discussing optical fiber, just I'm taking the use case of that. Sine theta mu r by mu d, you can take mu 1 by mu 2, mu 1 by mu 2, okay, mu r by mu d, or you want, you can take like this also, mu 1 by mu 2, no problem, okay. Anyway, you can, okay, mu r by mu d or mu 1 by mu 2, and I need cos theta, okay. So now we can say in this one that sine theta is given. So we can make the triangle again here, right angle. If this is the theta, we can say this one will be the mu 1, this will be the mu 2, and this one is going to be your, okay, mu 2 square minus mu1 square, okay, mu2 square minus mu1 square. And once you got this thing, then you can say clearly we can write cos theta will be equal to, in this one, root of amisa, okay, your, in this one, this is the base, so we can write here root of mu2 square minus mu1 square divided by your mu2, okay. Yes, this will be the cos theta, okay. Some of you are able to relate, somewhere you will use this thing. Somewhere in the optical fiber this will be used. Okay, good. So now I'm going to ask one more. Ready? Ready now? Okay. Now I'll be using that one relation will be coming in the oscillation. They will say x equal to a sine theta. So from here we can say sine theta equal to x by a, okay. You will get this relation x equal to a sine theta in the oscillation. I hope you remember this thing. And if you don't remember, no problem, okay. I have given sine theta x by a, okay. Given this thing, sine theta is x by a, okay. I'm not using some data, okay, like some variables x by a, okay. Yes, sine theta is x by a. I am asking what is the cos theta, okay. Find cos theta, okay. Find cos theta, okay. Sine theta given x by a. I am asking find cos theta. Sine theta given to you x by a. I am asking here what is cos theta. Yes, very simple, huh? Yes, okay. She will say the same thing, sir. This one we can write here, okay. Some people are saying, but sir, how hard to type? Yes, okay. You can type, okay. Without root, you can type. I can understand that. Yes, you got the correct answer. Feeling matters sometimes. What happens? Sometimes you don't have word to explain. So if you just express the feeling, I can easily understand. Okay, that what you want to write. Okay, I know that root, and then this is somewhat tough to type here. Okay, good. So now we can say in this one sine theta, this is the theta, this one is the x here, this one is a, okay, and then we can write this one is going to be here a square minus x square. So you can say now our cos theta actually becomes here in this one root of a square minus x square divided by a, okay. Can you tell me one thing, that where I will use this thing, where I will use this information? Yes. Yes, now there was power cut. It's now normal. Okay. Good. And who was saying game over? Who was there? Saying the game over. Game is not over till you are in the game. Always have this thing in the mind. Okay. Game will be over, only over when you quit the game. If you are in the game, game is always on. Okay. Now, keep screen. Okay. So in this one, I was asking here that cos theta you have to find, and I told also cos theta, like this is the your x here. Here we got a, and then this will be the root of in this one. Okay, your a square minus x square, and we got cos theta actually equal to in this one. Here root of a square minus x square divided by your a. Okay, I was saying where we will use. You know that once you will get the differentiation, then differentiation of position gives you velocity, right? Differentiation, okay, of displacement gives you velocity. So we'll get the formula of velocity, and formula of velocity will be like this: a omega cos theta. This will be the formula, okay, a omega cos theta. And then I will say that find another formula, okay. Yes. So in this one, cos theta actually, okay, you have to replace from here. Okay, so you will get this thing that v equal to a omega, and cos theta you will write, okay, like this. Okay, now a we will cancel, you get the formula. Okay, as of now this is not, okay, you don't have to do this thing. This is not the part of, okay, syllabus as of now. Yes, in the oscillation we will use. Okay, clear? Means I'm saying the use cases. Okay, this thing we will do in the oscillation. I cannot say this thing as of now. Okay, this will be the part of oscillation, but up to this, okay, up to this, okay, you should be able to convert. Okay, so I'm asking some more questions quickly. You have to say the answers first. Okay, like somewhere, okay, in some chapters you will get in the maximum somewhere, okay, tan theta will be coming. Okay, now your angle of dip is not there, still, okay, I can say somewhere tan theta you will get. Okay, so I can say suppose you got tan theta equal to, okay, they have given you, it is the 7/4. Okay, tan theta is 7/4. They are asking find sin theta. Okay, you need to say sin theta. Tan theta is the 7/4. You have to find sin theta. Can we do it? Just till 5. Okay, what the answer first? Answer quickly, you have to say the answers. You are taking this much time. Okay, now I was thinking that I will finish this thing. Okay, conversion of sin theta to cos theta to, okay, means these different conversions. So now we can say here in this one, this is the 10 here. Okay, it becomes, this is the 7, this one is the 4, and here we can write this will be the 7 square 49 plus 16, and 49 plus 16 becomes 65. Okay, so this is the your root 65. Then you can say such sin theta is nothing but the your 7/√65. They are asking cos theta. We can say cos theta will be equal to 4/√65. So can I mark that different conversions we can do? If tan theta given, we can find the sin theta, cos theta, any of the things. Sure? Possible? If I give you any of the data, can we solve? Okay, let's see. All are saying yes. I am going to give you one question now. Okay. Okay, and some people are, okay, I think coming for the fun, है? Some people are trying to solve the questions, and some people are just, okay, coming here to chill. Let me give one question to them to chill, okay, so that, okay, they'll be chilling for 1 hour. Okay, going to solve that question. Common sense question I'm giving to give you, okay, because I have seen some of the people here. Okay, I cannot stop myself giving, okay, one common sense question, because when you will not get the answer, okay, you will be completely silent. Check your common sense. Just why I remember, because today I have given in one of the class in okay, one of the class today I gave that question, common sense, and only one person got the answer. Only one person. Let's see, okay, how many people you are getting the answer, okay? And okay, don't take help of your AI. Sometimes AI also cannot help you. If you are thinking that yes, I will use Chat GPT, I will use Gemini, I will use this, okay, I will get the answer. Yes, sometimes they also may not help. Sometimes they can help. Okay. So this is a common sense question. I am writing also. Otherwise, common sense question for those people, okay, because some people are there, okay. They should check at least. Question is, there is the cow, okay, you have buffalo and you have goat, okay. Cow, buffalo and goat, okay. Cow gives 2 liter milk, buffalo gives 5 liter, and the goat gives you, okay, 1/4 liter. Yes, cow 2 liter, buffalo 5 liter, and goat 1/4 liter, 250 ml. Total milk, we want 40 liter. Cow milk tasty, very good. Total milk 40 liter, and total animal count, okay, total animal count 20. Then count of each. Find count of each. Yes, you got 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. You got 1 minute. Boost is the secret of my energy. Questions are the secret of our energy. If you were in the class, you know. How buffalo give milk? Okay, you are missing basic. You need to attend basic classes of biology now. Okay, we'll okay, ask them to start basic classes of biology also. ABC of the biology needed for you. That how buffalo is giving the milk. And none of the count is zero. None of the count is zero. Okay, all counts are non-zero. All counts non-zero. One person got the answer. I think you used Gemini or Chat GPT. Tell honestly, NVK, not NVK, Nayak. Nayak 777. What you did? If you solve by yourself, I'm impressed. Nayak 777. And if you use the AI also, then also I'm impressed. Sujan. Okay. Now one got the answer, so everyone will get the answer. Okay. If one is getting the answer, all will get the answer. Okay. Are you writing mathematical equations here? This question is asked in the college. Okay, you are old student then. So I use Chat GPT. No, sometimes Chat GPT will be writing the long equations. What are the thing here in this one? If you want to solve this one mathematically, I'm not solving, just I'm saying here, that you will say that if I assume that this, x, okay, and this one is y number and this one is the z number, you'll make the two equations, x plus y plus z, and then it will be, okay, equal to 20, and this is giving 2, so you will make like this 2x plus 5y plus z by 4 equal to the 40, and then you have to solve. But what is the problem here? How many variables are there in this one? How many variables? In this question, how many variables are there? 3 variables. 3 variables and 2 equations. Can you solve now mathematically? Because mathematics is saying that if you have to solve 2 variables, you need 2 equations. Using 2 equations, 3 variables you cannot solve. It means you need to play with the data set. You need to take some values. Then only we can solve. Okay. So sometimes we have to play with the data sets, whatever the given data set is there. Okay. Like in your examination, always you will be having the 4 data given. Out of the 4 data, you have to select 1 data only. It is very easy to choose out of the 4 data set. You have to choose just 1 data. So this selection of data set is also you need to learn how we are going to select the data here, because mathematically if you are going to solve 2 equations, 3 unknowns, you cannot go mathematical way here. But question can be solved, problem can be solved. So a lot of problems in this world are that can be solved when mathematics is silent, that mathematics is saying that no, not possible. But using our intelligence, using this, okay, whatever the data sets are there, with the hit and trial method, we can get the answers. Okay. If you, okay, I don't think that instantly anyone got the answer here. Maybe someone, okay, used AI here. Someone, okay, listened this question earlier somewhere. Okay, but instantly no one got the answer. Okay, I was talking about this thing, okay, because in the middle, I need to check common sense of some people. Okay, now they will be silent for some time. So we got here, tan theta is 7/4. So we got the sine theta and this. Now quickly let me say one more relation here. This cosec theta equal to 3. Okay? If cosec theta equal to 3, then tan theta h. They have given cosec theta, they are asking tan theta. Okay, tell me this answer, then we'll move to the next topic. Quick. Say quickly. Tanveer, I got it, sir. Very good if you got that one. Okay. There are the some set of problems which actually cannot be solved. Means in the mathematics, okay, beyond the sometimes limit of mathematics also we need to go. You will be learning this thing also, that using the how we can play with the data sets. Mathematics will be having one limit. Like in this question, mathematics is silent because we have the in the previous question. So we were okay trying some of the data. Okay, so we got the answer here, 1 by okay root 8, 1 by root 2, 1 by what different this simple question, how you are getting the different answers? Get single answer, even though this answer okay, you whatever you are getting, if wrong also no problem. You people cannot get different answers. Single options should be there. All are wrong, very good. Now we can say cosec theta given, so I can write here sine theta first of all, that sine theta will be 1 by 3. Once I got sine theta 1 by 3, then we can say this is the 1, this is the 3, and this will be here root of 3 square, means this 9 minus 1, which becomes root 8, and then we can write here tan theta, okay, so your tan theta becomes 1 by root 8, okay. I am moving to the next topic, okay. Yes, so conversion of sine theta to cos tan sec, all can we do it? Interconversion possible or not possible? Yes. Arthur is saying some relation. Arthur, you can solve, you can okay, send your calculation to me. This is my number. Okay. Yes. Okay. Could you please give one more question on cosec? Okay. Yes, I will surely I will give one more. I will give one more question on the sec better, okay? Sec theta equal to, okay, they have given sec theta 5 by 2, find, okay, find tan theta, okay? Tan theta and sine theta, okay? Find tan theta and sine theta. One more question. Sec theta is given 5 by 2, then find tan theta and sine theta. Yes, fast. Sec given, and if sec given, first of all you will convert into cos, okay, you will convert it into the cos, and then okay, answer root 21 by 2, Alexander. Root 21 by 5 sine. Those who ask another question, these, okay, you people have to answer first. Okay, now I will do it. So we can say sec theta is given, so cos theta I can write here in this one 2 by 5. Okay, yesterday I had written those relations. So we can make the triangle here in this one. We can say this is the theta. Here this is the your 2, this is the 5. So this perpendicular we can write 25 minus 4, which becomes root 21. Okay. Now we can say in this one your tan theta becomes perpendicular, that is the your root 21 divided by, in this case we can write 2, and here we can write sine theta is root 21 divided by 5. Yes, clear? Now I hope clear. I am moving forward. Can I move? Okay, one last question on this. Okay, one last. Okay, let's see, one last. Somewhere we'll get like this: sine theta equal to mu divided by root of mu square plus 1. Okay, sine theta equal to mu divided by root of mu square plus 1, or better I can remove the mu, I can write in terms of x divided by root of x square plus 1. Okay, I am asking tan theta. Okay, tan theta. Can you please give a question on cot? Cot question will be similar to the tan. Okay, cot question exactly same as the tan. Okay, but you are asking, so I will give one homework question. Okay, yes, I am asking tan theta here. Tan theta. Okay, tan theta, sine theta given and tan theta asked. Very easy question. I think all are getting the answers also. Yes, very good. Okay, so we can say here in this one sine theta, this becomes, okay, here theta, this is the x, this is the root of x square plus 1, and now in this one we can write this will be here root of x square plus 1 minus x square. Okay, so this will be cancelled and you will get here value 1. I am asking in this one your tan theta, and tan theta will be perpendicular, okay, x divided by 1, so we can say tan theta becomes simply x. Okay, tan theta is x. Okay, yes, almost everyone have given me correct answer, so I am fully confident. If anyone is asking interconversion based questions, sine to tan to this, we are fully comfortable, we can easily do the things, and this conversion we will use in multiple chapters. Okay, so you have to keep in the mind. Okay, clear? Because what happens sometimes, okay, sir, I got answer in the sine, there is no option of sine. Okay, you got somewhere, okay, answer in terms of sine, and there is no option in the sine. It means they are asking in the cos or tan. Okay, like this, they can play a little bit. Okay. add. One cot people are saying, so I can just give the homework question here. Cot theta equal to x by y, or let me give some data here, okay. 7 by 5, find sine theta, okay. Cot theta equal to 7 by 5, you have to find, okay, sine theta. This is the homework question, you will try, okay. You will get the answer, I'm 100% sure, because first of all, you will play with the 10. So you can say 10 theta becomes in this one 1 by cot, and then the 5 by 7, okay. And then you can move, you can convert, okay. Now, I'm writing some of the formula that you have to remember here. If I say sine square theta plus cos square theta, answer is 1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is going to be 1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is going to be 1. Can you prove this thing? You can easily prove this thing, because how to prove, okay? You can say, sir, sine theta is nothing but the your p square divided by h square, and this is the nothing but the your base square by h square, okay? You can write here in this one, this becomes p square plus b square by h square, and this becomes here h square by h square, which is equal to 1, okay? This is the proof, okay? But no one is going to ask the proof to you, okay? In this one, okay? What you have to remember in this one, that this formula should be remembered by all, okay? Sine square plus cos square theta is 1, okay? Sine square plus cos square equal to 1. Another one you will remember here, 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. Can you prove this also? Possible? Yes, we can prove, okay, this also 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, because we have to reduce time also, we need to do questions faster, so we'll, okay, take help of this formula 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, and similarly I can write another one 1 plus your cot square theta equal to, in this one, your cosec square theta, okay, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Yes, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Any problem in this one? Now, so these three formula you will, okay, remember. Now we'll take one example here, okay, how they can play with the your okay, they will ask the same simple thing, but in examination they will be playing. Like I was talking about the critical angle earlier, right? And in the critical angle I said sine theta equal to 1 by mu. Do you remember? Sine theta 1 by mu. And in one of the examination I changed the option only. I asked refractive index, okay, I am taking here in this one. This is the your okay, I will sine theta, you know 1 by mu, okay, everyone knows. I asked mu, okay, so find mu, so you can say mu equal to 1 by sine theta, okay, but no option was given in terms of sine or cos, okay. Mu equal to 1 by sine theta. You can say, sir, 1 by sine theta is nothing but the cosec theta. Yes. If I say if sine theta equal to 1 by mu, then mu equal to 1 by sine theta, which becomes here cosec theta. And then you can say, sir, from here I can write cosec theta h. Cosec theta will be root over 1 plus cot square theta. So I can say mu will be equal to root over 1 plus cot square theta. So if I ask and I'm giving the option like this, they will not do anything else, just they will change the options. Okay, they will ask what are the refractive index of the material if critical angle is theta. If critical angle is theta, people only know this thing. And if you know the conversion, we can find the angle in the cot also, we can find in the tan also, and we can find in whatever way they are asking. Can you do it now? In 10 also we can do whatever relation they are going to ask, whatever option is there, okay, we can easily find. Yes. So that is the one okay use case. Here we know this mu is 1 by sine theta. 1 by sine theta is the cosec theta, and that cosec theta from here we can write how much? Root over 1 plus cot square theta. Okay. Suppose the same thing appears in the examination, and they are not related with the sine. They are relating with any of the parameter, means any of the trigonometric ratio, cot, tan, sec, cosec. You will have any fear? Any fear will be in your mind that if they are saying, suppose not in terms of sine, not in terms of cos, okay, what? Because sine and cos are known to you. Tan or cot, sec and cosec, we don't use more frequently. You will not be surprised. We can convert easily, okay? In these type of changes, you will see these things will be coming. In the Prism 1 question is there, means it was asked also in one of the examination. I don't remember in the NEET or JEE, but it was there. In that one okay, relation comes, okay, I will just write here. One relation comes, mu greater than sine, means like this, mu greater than sine A by 2, okay? Somewhere this relation comes, okay? This relation people know. In the, okay, Prism, this will be coming, okay? Mu greater than sine A by 2, one question is there, okay? This relation comes. Up to this, it is the physics, okay? 3 lines physics are, okay, will be there. Before this 3 line we have to solve in the Prism. I'm not discussing the Prism, that's why I have written this thing. But they didn't use this. This was not used. In the NEET also came and in the JEE also came, okay? It is the repeated one. They give in terms of, so you know this is the mu 1 by sine A by 2, up to this it is the physics. And then we can write mu greater than here your cosec A by 2, and then we can write this thing mu greater than here root. Cosec is basically nothing but the 1 plus cot square A by 2, okay? In the NEET also came, and in the, okay, yes, in the Prism it will be there, okay? This thing will come in the Prism. I'm just saying, okay, it will be coming in the Prism somewhere, okay? What are the motive that can we convert? We should not have any fear that, okay, I am getting answer in sine, my answer not matching. It means it can be in terms of cos, it can be in terms of cot or sec, whatever is given. Yes, this is also clear. Interconvergence over formula over, okay? These 3 basic formula I have just told to you. I think we are confident. Add, yes. Okay. Now I'll be saying some basic okay values here. I hope everyone knows, like sine theta, cos theta, okay, tan theta. Because mainly I will talk about these, and others are just reciprocal. So these values everyone knows that 0. This will be the 30. This will be the 45 here, and 60. Then your 90. So in this one, this is 0. This will be the half 1 by root 2. Root 3 by 2, then sine 91. Cos, you can just make it like this 1. This will be the root 3 by 2, and this is the 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and 0. I think we are clear. Yes. This year physics paper is difficult or not? Now, there are the 2 types of people. Those who will be seeing the past and keep on crying. Okay, whatever happened in the past, and by, okay, just seeing the past, they will keep on crying that, oh, this was the easy, this was tough, this is the easy, this is the tough. And there are some set of people, those who learn from the mistakes of past, analyze those things and save the future. Be like that. Okay, what is coming, you need to prepare for the future. Whatever will be there, okay. Already I said nothing is tough, nothing is easy. It is only matter of time. Same paper, okay. If given to you, those who are, okay, if given to you, and I say that you have one full day, you will be able to solve a lot of questions in that paper. Most of the question you will be able to solve if I give one full day. Anything if you are feeling that this is okay, this paper was tough, this paper was easy, only thing that in the limited time you have to do the things. So already I said categorize the things, time taking, less time taking, not the easy, medium, tough. Okay, and when your preparation is very, very good, your speed is good. You have to control your speed. It will be your game of speed. Up to 90 or 90 is enough. I will say up to 90, and after 90 I will use the word ASTC. In the next class I will say that ASTC. You have to learn ASTC also. As of now, up to 90. For today class, up to 90 enough. For today class, up to 90. Then after that we should be able to find all possible angle. Whatever angle is coming to your mind, you should be able to get value of that. There should not be any angle that you are thinking and you are not able to solve. You should be able to guess the answer. You should be, ASTC will be there. I will, of course, exactly values we can find using the trigonometric table, but without that also we should be able to answer our questions. ASTC will be there. A small angle approximations will be there. Based on this, any angle which is asked in the examination or whatever coming to your mind, you should be able to answer. Okay, but up to for today class, up to 90. Yes, we'll go slowly. Okay, we can. You are whenever you are going for your Andhra meal, take example from that. Whenever you have to take the Andhra meal, you don't mix all the things and then like this. You don't eat this way. You enjoy each particular whatever ingredients are there. First you enjoy with the chutney, then you take your pappu, then you take curry, then sambar, then rasam, then curd. Separately, after that one by one you enjoy, not all mixed, and then when I came here for the first time in the 2017, I so they served all the things I didn't know, so I mixed all the things and then taken. Then someone told that you don't have to do like this. I thought that I need to mix and then take it. Then told that you need to enjoy all the things. So that is the same, one by one, up to 90 first we will learn. After that we'll learn more than 90 also. I will tell your even less angle, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, all the angles, everything you will get to know, but not in one day, If you take everything on one day, so all the things, what will happen? Now, so we can say tan theta here in this one. This will be your 0, 1 by root 3, 1. This is the root 3, and here we can write this one is going to be infinity. This is the minimum data set you have to remember here. Minimum values you need to remember. Yes. Clear? Can I move further? Okay, I will move. For the next, this is the minimum. Now if I need some angles like 75 is there, 15 is there, for this you need to know these formula, that the sine a plus b. These are known as addition. So sine a plus b will be sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. How these things are coming, I am not going into the details of this, just writing that these formula, and you have to remember this formula will be huge. Sine a plus b, sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. And if we are having sine a minus b, then we can write sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. If they are saying the cos, then listen, sine is like, sine behaves like good. Sine 0 is 0, sine 90 is the max. Cos is behaving always opposite, exactly opposite. Sine is saying I will keep sine and cos both together. Like here, sine, cos, sine. Both are together. Sine, cos together, sine, cos together, sine, cos together, sine, cos together. Cos is saying, behaving exactly opposite. It's saying I will keep either cos, either sine, sine. Means cos A cos B, it is saying if here plus, I will keep it here minus, sin A, sin B, okay. Later on, okay, you have to remember this thing also, that in cos 0 is 1. Means minimum value, when we are starting with the minimum cos 0, it is taking the maximum value 1. When here plus, here is minus, doing the things opposite. You can write here cos A minus B, and cos A minus B becomes here cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, okay. Now, tan A plus B. If you need tan A plus B, most of the time this thing we can solve using sine by cos. Tan theta anywhere required. Okay, Kavya, if you type anything one time, I can I can quickly read your messages. No need to type so many times. One time I get, okay. Sometimes if I don't respond, means okay, it is considered, okay. Things considered. If I don't reply to your messages, it is considered, it will be done, okay. Now, if tan is given to you, tan A plus B, you will get the thing sine by cos. So you don't need the formula. But if you need, then I can write the formula here. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. But I will say that these are the minimum you have to remember. Using this, you can easily find the tan also, okay. So for the 10 I have written in the formula, same A minus B, you can, okay, just change the sign, you will get the things. But these 4 you have to remember, we are going to use, okay, these 4. So I'm going to ask some questions on this thing. Yes, ready? Okay, quickly here. So if I ask in this one, sine 75 anywhere coming, you have to divide this 75. Sometimes they will give us data such a way that out of the known values, what are the known values? 30, 45, 60. You can always write in the plus and minus. So 75 can be written as here 45 plus 30. Okay. So sine 45 plus 30, you can write this one as sine 45 into sine 30 plus, okay, sine A cos B plus cos A means cos 45 into sine, okay, means array, this one is the cos. Yes, so we can write sine 30. Done. 45 plus 30, 75 is given. 75, we can write, okay, in those combination you have to choose in which both are known to you. So we can say 45 plus 30 sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Then you have to just put the data here because these values are known to you. 1 by root 2, here we can write in this one your root 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2, and here 1 by 2. You can say this becomes root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Yes? Over? Any problem? Can I give the homework? Homework. Find cos 75, tan 75, okay, cos 75 and tan 75. Tan 75, you don't have to solve, you don't have to use the formula. You will simply use sine theta by cos theta. You will use sine theta by cos theta. Clear? So we got 75 value. Like this, I will take, okay, tactical titan considered. Next. Yes. Yeah, answer will be root 3 minus 1. Okay, root 3 minus 1. Minus will come. Yes, correct. Now, if I say what will be this one, okay, suppose I am asking here, okay, here in this one, sine 15. You can say, sir, sine 15 we can write like, okay, sine 45 minus 30, okay, 45 minus 30, and again similar way I will use this thing. I am not saying that you have to mug up this sine 15, sine 75. If anywhere required in the examination, okay, we can always solve this way. So we can write here in this one, Sine A 45 into cos 30, sine A cos B minus cos A into sine 30. You just put the data here. 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. It becomes here root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Yes? Any problem? Because just like this here, okay, one of the data they use, however that data was very easy to be solved, okay, 22 and a half. So if they are using 1575, okay, can we solve? We are not going to mug up the data, not possible for anyone to mug up all the data, okay, whatever is there, but yes, we can solve the things, whatever things are given to you can be done, right? Okay, I'm giving one homework in this one, same way. Find cos 15, okay, 10 15, cot 15, okay. So you have to only find cos, this only you have to find, other that, okay, you can just use the 10, you can write the sine by cos, cot you can just use 1 by 10, get possible? Done? Anyone having any problem? Clear? Can I say the next thing? Next one, quickly. Yes? Not coming. Coming? Not coming, I think. Yes? Okay, so there was some interruptions were there. We have to write some more formula here. Now we'll continue in the next class, okay? Because after 10 minutes you will be having the next class schedule, okay? So what we have learned today, there are the one important things. First thing we got interconversion, convergence in sine theta can be converted to cos theta, tan theta, sec theta that we will use. Then we got up to 90 values, 75, 15 like this. Okay, if anywhere some data coming, then okay, we will find this thing. Okay. So other things will continue in the next class. Here your QR code, because some people were continuously asking for this thing. So you will get the here QR. Okay. And okay. Whatever I said from your side, you will try to do as much as you can, because ultimately calculations you have to improve. If you are very, very good in the calculation, physics will be easy to you. Okay. Those who are given the examination, those who are there, they know all the, this thing. Okay. Bye. Here goes your QR.